As we get older, maintaining optimal health and well-being becomes increasingly crucial. One of the most effective ways to support vitality, energy, and longevity is through a balanced and nutritious diet. While there are countless dietary options available, the power of nature's bounty cannot be overlooked. In this video, we will explore the essential 12 natural foods that individuals over 50 should consider incorporating into their daily meals. These foods provide a plethora of health benefits and play a crucial role in supporting various aspects of aging gracefully. From enhancing brain function to promoting heart health and maintaining strong bones, this list offers a holistic approach to nourishing your body as you age. So if you're eager to embrace the many advantages of these age-defying foods, watch and discover the path to a healthier, happier, and more vibrant you. Number 1. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, also referred to as yams, are a nutritious and tasty root vegetable that can be a valuable addition to your diet, especially if you're over 50. These tubers are an excellent source of vitamins, particularly vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and the immune system. Just one sweet potato can provide several times your daily recommended intake of vitamin A. They are high in dietary fiber, aiding digestion and promoting regular bowel movements, which can be particularly helpful for preventing constipation, a common issue among older individuals. Sweet potatoes are packed with antioxidants, such as beta-carotene, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including certain types of cancer and heart disease. Despite their natural sweetness, sweet potatoes have a relatively low glycemic index, meaning they have a milder impact on blood sugar levels compared to other starchy foods. This can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar. The potassium and fiber in sweet potatoes support heart health by regulating blood pressure and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Number 2. Black beans. Black beans are a versatile and nutritious legume that can be a valuable addition to your daily diet, especially if you're over 50. These legumes are an excellent source of plant-based protein, making them a valuable choice for vegetarians and vegans. Protein is essential for maintaining and repairing tissues in your body, and it supports muscle health and overall body function, which becomes more important as you age. Black beans are also a source of minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, which are essential for maintaining strong bones. This is crucial in preventing osteoporosis and fractures in older age. The combination of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and protein in black beans helps stabilize blood sugar levels, making them a good choice for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar. The fiber and protein in black beans can help you feel full and satisfied, making them a useful component of a weight management plan, which can become more challenging as you age. Black beans are known for their heart-healthy properties. They can help lower cholesterol levels due to their high fiber content, and contain antioxidants and potassium, which support cardiovascular health. Reducing the risk of heart disease is especially important as you age. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "Great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. Number 3. Beets, also known as beetroots, are a vibrant and nutritious root vegetable that can be a valuable addition to your daily diet, especially if you're over 50. Beets are a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, folate, vitamin B9, potassium, and manganese. These nutrients play important roles in maintaining overall health, immune function, and energy metabolism. Beets are particularly rich in antioxidants, including betalain, which gives them their distinctive red color. Antioxidants help protect your cells from oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. Some research suggests that the nitrates in beets may enhance exercise performance and endurance. This can be particularly useful for older individuals looking to stay active and maintain muscle strength. Beets contain compounds that may enhance cognitive function and promote brain health. This is important for maintaining mental clarity and cognitive function as you age. Beets can support liver function and detoxification processes, which can become less efficient with age. Number 4. Onions. Onions are a common and versatile vegetable that can enhance the flavor of many dishes, and they offer several health benefits that make them a valuable addition to your diet, especially if you're over 50. Onions are a good source of various antioxidants, including quercetin and sulfur compounds. Antioxidants help protect your cells from oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and certain types of cancer. Onions have been linked to improved heart health. They may help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease by relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. This is particularly important for older individuals as the risk of cardiovascular issues tends to increase with age. Onions contain compounds with anti-inflammatory effects. These properties may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is associated with many chronic conditions that become more common with age. The dietary fiber in onions supports a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movements and reducing the risk of constipation. Maintaining good digestive health is crucial for overall well-being, particularly for older adults. Onions are a source of vitamin C, which plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy immune system. As you age, a robust immune system is essential for fighting off infections and illnesses. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in onions, such as quercetin, may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including colorectal cancer. Number 5. Olive oil. Olive oil is a staple of Mediterranean cuisine and is known for its numerous health benefits. It's an excellent addition to your diet, especially if you're over 50. Olive oil is primarily composed of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. These healthy fats can have a positive impact on heart health by reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, which is the buildup of plaque in your arteries. This, in turn, lowers the risk of heart disease and stroke. Olive oil is a key component of the heart-healthy Mediterranean diet. Olive oil contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is associated with numerous age-related diseases, so managing it can be important for overall well-being. Some studies suggest that olive oil may help lower blood pressure, which is crucial for maintaining heart health, particularly as you age. Olive oil is calorie-dense, but its healthy fats can help you feel full and satisfied, making it a useful component of a balanced diet for weight management. The antioxidants in olive oil, along with its healthy fats, can contribute to healthy and youthful skin by reducing signs of aging and promoting a natural glow. Number 6. Turmeric. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice derived from the root of the curcuma longa plant. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cuisine, particularly in South Asia. The active compound in turmeric, called curcumin, has strong anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is associated with various age-related conditions, including arthritis and chronic diseases. Curcumin is also a powerful antioxidant, which means it can neutralize free radicals and protect your cells from oxidative damage. This may help lower the risk of chronic diseases and contribute to overall well-being. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric may provide pain relief for conditions such as osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. It may also help alleviate muscle pain and soreness, which can be beneficial for older individuals. Some research suggests that curcumin may have neuroprotective properties and potentially reduce the risk of cognitive decline and neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease. It can help support brain health as you age. Some studies suggest that the curcumin in turmeric may help prevent and treat cancer by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and preventing the spread of tumors. However, more research is needed in this area. Curcumin has been used in skincare products for its potential benefits in reducing skin inflammation and improving the appearance of skin, particularly in addressing skin conditions that may arise with age. Number 7. Garlic. Garlic is a popular and pungent herb that is widely used in cooking and traditional medicine around the world. It offers several potential health benefits, especially if you're over 50. Garlic is well known for its heart protective properties. It can help lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels, particularly LDL, bad cholesterol. These effects can significantly lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases, which become more common as you age. Garlic contains natural compounds that have antibacterial and antiviral properties, which can help protect against infections and illness. These properties can be particularly useful for older individuals with a higher susceptibility to infections. Garlic is rich in antioxidants which can help protect your cells from oxidative damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Its antioxidant properties are attributed to compounds like allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Garlic has anti-inflammatory effects that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is associated with many age-related conditions, so managing it is crucial for overall well-being. Garlic has been used historically to boost the immune system. It may help prevent and alleviate common colds and other infections, which can become more common as you age. Number 8. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a creamy and nutritious dairy product that can be a valuable addition to your diet, especially if you're over 50. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of high-quality protein. It contains more protein per serving compared to regular yogurt, making it an excellent choice for individuals, especially those over 50, who may need more protein to support muscle health and overall body function. Many varieties of Greek yogurt contain live probiotic cultures, such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. These friendly bacteria support gut health and can aid in digestion, which becomes increasingly important as you age. Greek yogurt is a good source of calcium and vitamin D, both of which are essential for maintaining strong bones. Adequate calcium intake is vital for preventing osteoporosis and fractures in older age. The combination of protein and probiotics in Greek yogurt can help you feel full and satisfied, making it a valuable component of a weight management plan, which can become more challenging as you age. The probiotics in Greek yogurt can promote a healthy gut microbiome, potentially reducing the risk of digestive problems and supporting regular bowel movements. Number 9. Ginger. Ginger is a versatile and flavorful root with a long history of use in both culinary and traditional medicine. Ginger contains natural compounds called gingerols and shogaols that have potent anti-inflammatory effects. This makes ginger a helpful option for managing inflammation in the body, which is associated with various age-related conditions, including arthritis and chronic diseases. Ginger has been used for centuries to alleviate digestive issues. It can help reduce symptoms of indigestion, nausea, and bloating, which can become more common with age. Ginger may also help with motion sickness and morning sickness. Ginger is well known for its ability to alleviate nausea, whether it's caused by morning sickness during pregnancy, motion sickness during travel, or chemotherapy-induced nausea. This can be particularly beneficial for older individuals who may experience these issues. Ginger may reduce the symptoms of osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, potentially improving joint function and reducing pain and stiffness. This is important for managing arthritis, which becomes more prevalent with age. Number 10. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are a crisp and refreshing vegetable that can be a valuable addition to your diet, especially if you're over 50. Cucumbers have high water content, which can help keep you hydrated. Proper hydration is vital for overall health, especially as you age, to maintain essential bodily functions. Cucumbers are low in calories and can be a healthy choice for weight management, which can become more challenging with age. Cucumbers have been used in skincare products for their potential to soothe and hydrate the skin. They may help reduce skin irritation and puffiness, which can be particularly beneficial for older individuals. Due to their low calorie content and high water and fiber content, cucumbers can help you feel full and satisfied without significantly adding to your calorie intake. Some studies suggest that cucumbers may help regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for managing diabetes, a condition that becomes more prevalent with age. Number 11. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile and nutritious food. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for maintaining and repairing tissues in your body. Protein becomes increasingly important as you age to support muscle health and overall body function. Eggs are rich in essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They provide a variety of B vitamins such as B12, riboflavin, and pantothenic acid, which are important for energy metabolism and overall health. Eggs are one of the best dietary sources of choline, an essential nutrient that plays a critical role in brain health, nerve function, and liver function. Choline is particularly important for cognitive function and memory, which become more vital as you age. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are beneficial for eye health. These compounds may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Contrary to previous concerns, research has shown that moderate egg consumption is not significantly associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Eggs contain healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that can be part of a heart-healthy diet. Number 12. Salmon. Salmon is a highly nutritious and versatile fish. Salmon is renowned for its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. These essential fats are associated with various health benefits, including heart health and brain function. Omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon can help lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and improve overall heart health. Regular consumption of salmon is associated with a lower risk of heart disease and stroke, which becomes a greater concern as you age. DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid, is a major component of the brain. Consuming salmon may help support cognitive function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline, including conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Incorporating these 12 natural foods into your daily diet can be a wise and delicious choice if you're over 50. These foods offer a wide range of health benefits, from supporting heart health and promoting bone strength to reducing inflammation and aiding in weight management. Remember that a well-balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods is key to meeting your nutritional needs as you age. It's also important to consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian, especially if you have specific dietary concerns or health conditions. They can provide personalized guidance to help you make the most of these natural foods and ensure they align with your unique health goals. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "Great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you.